Hello everybody, hope you're well. Look at that. You can't deny it's pretty. However, a load of snowfall, sub-zero temperatures, the school's being off, and my lad throwing snowballs at the window to try and put me off making a YouTube video is not conducive to a week of building. So we've had to have a couple of days off, but it's all right because we've reached out to Ekster, the wallet company. I'll have a word with him in a minute. And they have given us some wallets to give away to you in order to raise money for the fundraising thing we've got going on for Birmingham's Children's Hospital. We're going to unbox what they've sent us, and then we're going to go through every single way you can win one of these wallets. Just watch. So as you're enjoying yourself, yeah. Right then, sorry about that, back to the giveaway. But before that, a little bit of a backstory. About 10 months ago, we came up with the idea of wanting a fundraising scheme that ran through the channel to the end of the year. The idea was that we raise as much amount of money as possible, one big pot, and then we spend every single penny of it on presents for the kids that find themselves in Birmingham's Children's Hospital over Christmas. And to date, we have raised this amount of money, which is absolutely phenomenal. Thank you very much to everybody who has contributed. Now, we've only done this through super thanks via YouTube. We found that the most easiest way for you to contribute and also the most transparent. But we are also aware that YouTube take a little percentage of that and keep it for themselves, the naughty little devils. Well, that's fair enough, but don't worry, we're going to make up every single penny that they take. So if you've donated £2 will go into that pot and be spent on the presents for the kids at Birmingham Children's Hospital. So why are we here? Well, we've also had the idea of reaching out to one of our sponsors over the past couple of months, Ekster, and asked them, do you mind giving us some free stuff? You'll get promotion out of it, of course you will. We'll give it away, and we're also means that we could raise more money for the kids. So here we are. This is what they are promoting at the moment, their wallet range. We'll go through those now, a little bit more of a close-up, detailed look at them, and then we'll see exactly what they've sent and what you can win. Now, I've no idea what's in the box and what they've sent us for you to win, but I've been led to believe that it's more the Parliament type body emails, but we shall see for that for definite in a second. But I just thought I'd show you this. This is the card holder that they do. Beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. Cards in the central compartment, there's either a backing plate that comes with it that you can fit more cards between the main wallet and the backing plate, should you wish. However, let's just focus on this just in case this is what is in the box. This is the Parliament type, more traditional as you can see, also with the card compartment as well. However, what Ekster do, they boast that they are the world's first trackable wallet, and what that is, a little slimline little badger there that just slits in behind that band on either this or the card holder is, believe it or not, a tracker. So if you've got your phone but can't find your wallet, links to the app, it makes a noise, you follow it, you find your wallet. Beautiful. And what I love about this as well, amazingly, you charge this one, this is the Android version, you charge this via solar. It's excellent. But it also works the other way around. So if you've got your wallet and not your phone, you press it twice, makes your phone ring. Excellent. Right then, they do Android. As I say, that's what this one is. Also for the iPhone. Right then, let's see what's in the box. Let's see what you can win. And let's tell you how you can win it. Okay then, moments of truth. Let's see exactly what they have sent us and what you can be the proud owner of. Oh wow, right, that is a full box. Okay, well I know what that is straight away. That is the tracker I've just showed you. That is the one compatible with Android, because that's the one that I own there. So I know what that is, and I know what that is as well. That is the equivalent, but for iPhone. Android, iPhone. Right, what else have we got? These boxes all look the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are the Parliament wallets, what I've just showed you here, the more traditional type, with the card holder as well. And that is in steel blue. And we've got Napa black, which I believe is exactly this one. Parliament White Classic Brown. I will put all these on screen now. So I'm not going to open them because I want you to receive them exactly how the way I've been sent them. Merlot Red. And then last but certainly not least, Juniper Green. Well, there we go. So we've got the 5 wallets and the tracker for Android. That won't stand up. And the tracker for iPhone. So, top prize then. Enter the competition. If your name's out of the hat first, you get to choose whichever colour you want with whatever compatible one you have, whether it's Android or whether it's iPhone. So let's say you've gone for the Merlot Red iPhone. Second prize, again, you get to choose. Hopefully, if it's Android, we'll work that one out. You know, if it's already gone, then maybe you want to pass that on to somebody else. We'll sort that between us as and when the names come out of the hat. So those are the top 2 prizes then. And then there's 3 more prizes of just the wallets. And you get to choose your colour as well, whatever. Again, we'll sort that out as and when. Right then, how do you enter? Well, what we like to do, because this is to raise money for the kids' Birmingham Children's Hospital, for the presents, I reckon that subscribe to us, be a subscriber, and comment in the comment section of this, whatever comment that you want to put, keep it clean, and donate. You can donate as little as $1.99, I believe, via Super Thanks. Yeah, and that's it. Now, if you're a regular follower of this channel and you already have donated, then don't worry about it, because we can check. It's all there. It's all transparent. We've got a big list and it's all on our analytics, so it's all there. So if you've already contributed, and you're a subscriber, just comment below and you're in the draw. If you haven't already contributed, or you're not a subscriber, or both, do both and you're in the draw. We'll have it for 2 weeks. So that will be, I tell you what, the date will be, the cut-off date will be on screen now. After that, we'll put all the names in the hats, literally. I'll just print them off, cut them up, pull them out, and then I'll be in touch with you again via the comments in this video, and we'll have a chat. Which ones you want? We'll go through it all. Whoever's come out 5th will just be left with whatever it is they're left with. But there we go, the perfect presents, even for yourself or for somebody, this coming Christmas. So thank you, Ekster, for giving us these. This is fantastic, it really is. We're not being paid for this video. They are sponsoring us again in another couple of videos time. However, for this particular one, they're not paying us. It's just at the goodness of their own heart. They've sent all this stuff out to give away, to raise money for the kids. So there we go. So yeah, all the conditions will all be in the description in case I haven't been clear enough. Yeah, good luck. Donate as much as you can or as little as you can. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. I do believe that the lowest you can go is $1.99. Perfect. Absolutely fantastic. Put it in the comments. Make sure it's a subscriber because we can check all that. Date's on screen now, once again, at the end date for it. And then we'll be in touch if you're a lucky winner very, very soon. And of course, in future videos, we'll announce it all as well. But there we go. Right then, hopefully, the weather will improve next couple of days. We'll get back on that roof. We have made progress for it, but today, not so much. So we'll get back up there, we'll get it all finished, and we'll have an update from there soon. Regular videos of a Sunday without fail. Hopefully next Wednesday, we'll have an update from the bungalow build. But until then, keep warm, stay safe. Thank you for watching, and take care.